Welcome to the Snake Pit.
Alright, here we are back again with the build, the Back to the Future DeLorean issues 95, 96, 97, 98. Not real exciting, but we do get some bumper treatments finally, and I don't know, maybe some more time equipment over there in issue 98. We're getting closer, getting closer. Alright, issue 95. Front bumper, some light covers, and power coil brackets is the name of the game for this one. Alright, hard to show that on camera, but I had to put these little brackets on. Tedious. 1 LP screw in the back on each one. Put these 2 lens bezels in. Do have some hideous screws on the outside, but those are going to be covered up by the whole time grill panel that lights up. Alright, now we get to install this on the vehicle. Okay, and make sure your orientation is correct here. These 2 lights are going to slip into the light housing there, the bulbs will, and then we'll carefully feed the cables back into the little hole as we install the bumper. Just make sure these are fully seated. Should be snug little fit, and that is. Now kind of get you a little better view here. So you can see that's the hole we're feeding the cables back into. Kind of cramped back there, but carefully feed them back through as you install the bumper. Like that. Just take your time with it. Okay. We're in place, and looks like this is going to get held in place with some DM screws. And there it is.